Hi farmers, hi, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. And on today's video I want us to talk about improved kienyeji breeds. Yes, today we will touch more about the breeds that we have, and mostly I don't know whether they are in other countries, but today I will touch more on breeds that I know they are available in Kenya and their characteristics. Yeah, so we'll start with kenbro kenbro kienyeji chicken. So kenbro kienyeji chicken, it's a breed developed here in Kenya. It's from Kenchik company. It is an interbreed. It is breed attained through a crossbreeding program. So this bird, it has several characteristics that makes it amazing and good for rearing purposes. They attain weight so quickly, and within a period of 3 months it can attain around 1.8 to 2 kg. Yeah, and again it is known for its egg production, so it's a dual purpose, both meat and eggs. On eggs it can produce around 200 to 280 per year. That's a good range. And their meat production, its meat ratio to bone ratio, it's very high, so it's good for breeding and for slaughtering. You can slaughter from 3 to 4 months. Yeah, and again we have it's resistant to diseases. Yes, it's resistant to diseases, so every farmer wants that, right? And our last point, it has a big body that they can weigh from 2 to 3.5 kg depending on your feeding program. On this one, I have them, and one negative thing about them I can say it's they feed. Those things, they feed a lot, but again they attain weight so quickly, so they are relatable, right? So on our next breed is Saso kienyeji chicken. So Saso kienyeji chicken, I love this breed so much. One thing, it have a tasty meat. Its meat is so tasty, and also it matures so fast. Within a period of 3 to 4 months it will have attained weight of around 1.8 to around 2.2 kg. Also it depends with the quality of feeds that you're giving these chickens, remember that. And on its egg production, it's a good egg producer. It can lay around 180 to around 280 depending on, again, what you're feeding it. It can be even more. And then it's resistant to diseases, and every farmer wants that. Then the feed conversion rate, it's good, so it will eat less and produce more. All right. Next will be Croiler. So Croiler kienyeji chicken was purposely developed for meat production. So that can tell you one thing, that it's a good meat producer. So it attains weight so fast, and within 3 months it will have a range of 2 kg to 2.4 kg. And again, it is still depends with your feeding program, so give it quality feeds, it will surely pay back. Then on diseases, it's resistant. And then on egg production, they have, if there is a breed that I know it has very beautiful eggs, it's Croiler. Their eggs are so beautiful and they are so big. Yani, it doesn't look like kienyeji egg. So I think, okay, I've not raised any kenbro in my farm. Okay, I've raised up to grower's age, but I can tell you it grows so fast. Uh, Curry kienyeji chicken. It's a breed that is developed here in Kenya by Kalo, and Kalo is based in Naivasha. Yeah, so Naivasha people, you know, uh, it has an outstanding character that others don't have, which is it can go brood. What does that mean? You have your own incubator in your home. Yes, curry breed, they go broody. And another character is that it is a good layer, and also it does very good in free range. Yeah, it behaves actually like an indigenous kienyeji, that is pure kienyeji. Any other character that a pure kienyeji have, it has it, and then it's it outstands them because it have big size. Yeah, so it's an improved version of a pure kienyeji. Yeah. Okay, rainbow rooster, it's known for its color. It's very colorful, and again it's a good meat producer, but it's mostly known for eggs production. Its egg production is high, and again it can attain weight very fast within 3 to 5 months, and within 3 to 5 months it can attain up to 2.5 kg or more depending on your feeding program. And it's still resistant to diseases.